Good morning. Happy frickin' Tuesday. Happy Leo season, happy waxing moon, happy. I'm going to share some astro weather with you for this week. So we'll start with just kind of day by day and then go into some of the bigger themes. We'll switch it up on you. Today is Tuesday, the moon is waxing, and the moon is in Libra. So our emotional body is in a more intellectual place. We're more likely to think about our feelings and kind of contemplate them from the realm of thought and concept versus like actually truly feeling them. We can be a little bit more sensitive to imbalance or when things are off, whether it's like in the environment or it's like with a person, like an interaction. And then let's see, tomorrow, the 3rd, the moon will be waxing. The moon will be in Libra, so we can kind of hold these themes again for Wednesday. So we'll be more sensitive to injustice, be more insensitive to just the balance and harmony of what's going on around us. These will be good days, Tuesday and Wednesday, to have conversations with people that you care about, to do the other oriented things. Maybe call up your friend or your mom or someone that you care about and just have a conversation with them. On Thursday, the moon is moving into Scorpio. So we're moving from an air sign into a water sign. This just indicates that Thursday, Friday, and Saturday will be a little bit more sensitive. We'll be a little bit more feelings oriented, a little bit more aware of what our emotional body is doing. So just know that Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we have a higher feel index where the feelings are closer to the surface. And normally when the moon's in Scorpio, that symbolizes kind of like extremes, like the depths. So just know that if you're feeling joy, it's probably going to be intense. If you're feeling frustration, it's probably going to be intense. If you're feeling sadness or loneliness or guilt or anything, it's going to be like turned up. The volume's going to be turned up just a little bit. Then let's see, Saturday, Sunday, and even, let me see, Saturday, Sunday. Yeah, the moon will be in Sagittarius. So we'll have a fiery moon for the weekend and a fun moon at that. Sagittarius is, I think, one of the most fun placements. I think a lot of the fire placements are fun, but Sagittarius is like optimistic and fun. So they're not going to be bossy and fun. They're not going to be pushy and fun. They're going to probably be humorous and kind of like eyes out on a bigger picture, always kind of scanning the horizon. So this isn't likely to be consumed with fine details and consumed with dotting the I's and crossing the T's. You'll probably feel more inclined to just feel your way through things and to have a big picture view while you're going through your things. So that sums up the week. First part of the week is air. The moon is in air. Our emotional bodies are more connected with our thoughts. So it's a good time to talk about your feelings. It might be tricky to put words to what you're feeling, but the words will be there. It'll be easier to communicate. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, we've got the moon in Scorpio, and then after that, we have the moon in Sagittarius. So it's air, water, fire. It's thinking about your feelings. It's feeling intense feelings, and then it's having a little optimism around your feelings. So it's a beautiful way for it to unroll. Let's talk about some bigger themes that we can see all week long. The moon will be waxing, so energy levels are going to be increasing. We are going to just have more energy, have more momentum. It's coming to a full peak on August 11th. So we still have a little bit over a week to get there. The first quarter is on the 5th, which is Friday. So first quarter asks us to stop and think, what have I done? Is it helping me? Is it moving me in the direction of my goals? Or is it not? Have I not done anything? It's just a reflective day to stop and think. Sometimes on the quarter, we feel a really equal, because it's when the moon is half illuminated, so it's half bright, it's half dark, and we can feel kind of torn on the quarters on those days. So in this case on Friday, we can feel kind of torn between wanting to go out and do the action and also like really wanting to rest and recuperate. So choosing one or the other is not bad or good, it's just making the choice. So be deliberate with yourself, be aware of what you're doing and how that's kind of affecting you down the road. Let's see. All week long, we have Mars conjunct Uranus. And so Mars is motivation, it's masculine energy, it's drive, it's how you assert yourself, it's how you fight, it's how you like pursue people in an intimate way. So that's all kind of encapsulated by Mars. And then you have it sitting right next to Uranus, which is shocking, it's eclectic, it's unpredictable, it's unknown change, it's rebellious, it's electricity, it's higher octave Mercury and like thought process and mind. So it's very kind of all over the place. So we're going to have our, like how we're motivated and how we assert ourselves touching this very unpredictable planet of electricity. So I would suspect that some of the parts of us, each individually, that like how we do Mars, how we do our motivation, how we do our drive, how we assert ourselves is going to be met with some type of like shocking force, whether that's like unpredictable change or you're met with a situation where you have to do Mars in a way that you typically don't. So maybe that's asserting yourself, maybe it's standing up for yourself. So just know that all week long we have this big electric planet kind of sitting on our motivation. And I know Uranus can kind of make things like hot and cold. It can make it like we'll feel one way really strong in one moment and then we'll feel one way really strong the next moment. So it can almost be like an up and down, or it doesn't need to be linear. It can be like kind of all over the place. Let's see, when Mars is conjunct Uranus, I think that also will kind of give our physicality like a restlessness. I think it will make it so you feel like squirmy and wiggly and like you have to be doing something. So yeah, just explore that as we go through the days this week. Notice how your warrior feels, how your Mars feels, if you feel really agitated, if you feel really motivated, if you feel like things are shocking and changing and unpredictable. Just take note, because I really think that whatever is happening down here, there's a beautiful, perfect reflection up in the sky. I think the sky is just a reflection of what's going on here on Earth. So good luck with your waxing moon. I hope all of your goals and your intentions are starting to sprout and bloom and blossom. Good luck with that Libra moon, that very aware of the others, very intellectual, emotional body. Scorpio moon, very intense emotional body. And then Sagittarius moon, more optimistic and fun emotional body. Have a good week.